Hey, it's your good girlfriend, Haith Johnson from La Host Beauty. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. You're going to learn what products do I use on my synthetic wig. Since I can't get you over to the human world, you stuck in the syntheticas. It's no problem, no judgment. Listen, if it's working for you, I'm loving it. It's working for me. So some of the products you want to use on your synthetic wigs. First thing is you want to make sure that you get the proper tools. So again, you need wide tooth comb. We do sell these on our website. You want to use wide tooth combs and not small tooth because small tooth has a tendency of frizzing up the synthetic fibers. You also want a vent brush so that you can detangle this, all the little, the little things that little knots that form naturally in a synthetic wig. This is our curved brush, hair detangling vent brush. It is amazing. You can also buy this on YouTube Shop as well as lahostbeauty.com. Now, this is our number one seller in Walmart.com, on Walmart.com, or in the Walmart store. I need all of my beauty cuties out in these Walmart streets. Get out there, purchase your hair care products, start getting great, amazing hair today. You can go either way. You can go in the store and buy it, or you can buy it on Walmart.com, or you can buy it on our website. Hey, whatever makes you happy makes me happy. So this is called the Miracle Solution, Miracle Spray for synthetic hair. I sell out of this probably once every 14 days. I have to replace my shelves in my store because you want to make sure that if you have synthetic hair or synthetic hair, you are using the right products. Can you shampoo a synthetic wig? You can do whatever you want to. You grown, you out your mama's house, and the police ain't gonna come get you. However, my saying is if you find a style that you love in the synthetic world, then get 3 to 4 units of it. One, because they may discontinue it. They are very temperamental when remaking the same wig, okay? Because a lot of times with synthetic wigs, they're very trendy. So if you find a style you like, buy 1, 2, 3, no, 4 of them, okay? And if you do that, you can keep the wig and your normalcy because remember, this is your signature look. This is your style. And in a year, if they discontinue it, guess what? You got to get out there and start searching for a new signature look. So I say, if you love the style, get about 4 units of it, get 4 pieces of it. Same thing. That way you can mix it up and not, and not wear it out is what I'm saying. Cause wigs are really like shoes. So you want to kind of mix up your game. Okay. Now, shampoo, conditioner. Yes, you can shampoo and condition your synthetic wigs. You have to think synthetic is not human hair. They say human hair blend. I say all hogwash. I don't think you can put human hair and synthetic hair together. They will fight each other, especially that human hair. It will ball up, I don't think it happens. You know what I really think what's going on out in these streets? I think that they're making high temperature, heat resistant fibers that can go up to 450 without singeing, burning, or frizzing. So it's more like it resembles human hair. It mimics human hair, but it's not human hair, y'all. I don't believe that. That's just my expertise. I am one person in this whole wide world. So you do what you want. You can believe what you want. Should you watch it? Can you watch it? Yes, you can. However, is it worth your time? And if you say it is worth your time, you can use our shampoo. The first thing you want to do is you want to first pre-poo. Pre-poo means do this before you shampoo. You spray the beauty solution on it. You then brush it all out. You want to make sure you get the back right there because that is where the hair mostly tangle. You then wet it down with lukewarm water, but more so on the cool side. You let all them fibers get wet, saturated with water. You put the shampoo in your hand. You rub it together and you squeeze and you squeeze. I have many videos on how to properly wash and shampoo a human or a synthetic wig. If you follow my instructions, you can keep those little girls a little bit longer. I promise, for real. It's the rubbing and the scrubbing. It's the harsh handling that really is more the wear and tear on the wig. Because if a wig is just sitting there, it ain't bothering you, you ain't bothering it, and everybody getting along. But if it's in your hand and you just don't do that. So calm down. Take a couple of breaths, comb through, let the water run through the wig. Cause really all you need to do is get the sweat and the makeup and the moisturizer and the perfume. You need to let all of that run through. So you do that with the lukewarm. After you let it get all saturated with the water, you put the shampoo in your hand, you rub it together, then you squeeze the wig. If you have to do this like 3 or 4 times with a new application of shampoo, I say that's it. You're doing it. You're going to have a great result from that wig. Next thing you want to do is, do you want to use the conditioner? Yes, use the conditioner because it's fiber and it needs moisture. The reason why I have you combing out with this first is because you want to soften and condition, because this has conditioner in it and it has our unlock in it. It's going to soften the fiber. So when you brush it, it's going to just, it's going to stretch out and not snap off or frizz up. Okay. So that is what I want you to do. You're going to spray, you're going to brush, you're going to wash, but you're not going to, you're going to squeeze top to bottom, top to bottom. Okay. And then after you finish that process, you shampooed it 2 times. If you have to shampoo it 3 times, do not stop shampooing until you see a lot of suds. If you don't see the suds, honey, it's dirty. So keep going. All right. So after you wash your synthetic wig, you then put the conditioner in there. You do the same thing. You then get your towel, you lay it down, you roll it up, you put some unlock concentrated. The reason why I'm saying use the unlock straight from the bottle is because straight from the bottle, it is concentrated. It is more potent. It is stronger. It's going to condition and soften those fibers. Okay. Synthetic is made out of polyester, nylon, acrylic, plastics. So you want to soften that material and you do that with conditioner. But then I want you to use the leave-in conditioner and leave it in. After you do that, put it on a mannequin head, fluff, 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 fluff. The one thing that I love about a synthetic wig, let me tell you what I love about a synthetic wig. The style is baked in. So you can run in the water, you can run in the rain, and guess what? That style ain't going nowhere. Them curls gonna be curling. Okay. In the real world, that's what's going to be happening. So that's a plus. And, the straight hair is easy to take care of too. Synthetic straight hair is super easy to take care of. It's that curly stuff. That is the corporate. I'm telling you, baby, that curly synthetic, you is asking for listen, you is braver than me. I'll say that. You are braver than me. But if you got a time limit of when you want to wear it, hey, maybe you got a party to go to, you got a wedding to go to, you're on vacation. That is the time to experiment and have as much fun because don't nobody know you out of town and child, live your best life in that curly wig on the islands and stay away from white parties. I'm just saying. Okay. So anyway, yes, use products. You can use products, regular hair care products on synthetic wigs. It is a good thing. I'm going to recommend La Host Hair and Wigs hair care products that you can get at Walmart.com. You also can get it at LaHostBeauty.com, and you also can get down in the YouTube shop. So push those buttons and start getting great wigs, start getting great natural hair, and start getting natural fibers. Start getting great synthetic wig. Use our hair care products. You can use it on your hair, synthetic wigs, and human hair wigs. Thank you again for watching this video. I am Haith Johnson of La Host Beauty, and welcome to my YouTube page. And please do me a favor, share me with your good girlfriend. Share me with your friends and your families of anyone who you know this information is going to help. Share, because sharing is caring. And listen, give me a comment down below, whether you like the videos, you don't like the videos, you agree with me, you do agree with me, whatever it is. I want to hear from you because you mean so much to me. You're the reason why I do this. So let's stay connected. Give me a comment. Let me know what type of videos you want to see from La Host Beauty. Your girl, the natural hair and wig expert, Miss Haith Johnson, Henry Johnson's wife.